Hey everyone, today, we're taking a deep look at the OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro, as we test the world of wireless earphones. Upon initial inspection, these headphones appear nearly flawless due to their advanced audio support, long battery life, and active noise suppression. But do they suit you well enough? Let's find out. Even during prolonged listening sessions, the ergonomic appearance of the OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro guarantees a comfortable fit and little pressure on the ear. With a weight of only 42 grams, the small and lightweight charging case is easy to carry in your pocket or purse. The casing has a Type-C port, a charging indicator, and the OPPO logo. It's a little difficult to detect without the instructions, but nearby is a covert Bluetooth activation button that blends in with the appearance. Premium material is used in the construction of both the headphones and the casing. The black variant needs more frequent cleaning to keep its beauty intact, even if the white version conceals fingerprints well. The headphones are appropriate for sporting activities because they have IP55 protection, which means they can resist water splashes. It's important to remember that the case is not covered by this protection, only the headphones are. The OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro is connected via Bluetooth 5.4. Simply push the button on the headphones to initiate Bluetooth, then search for OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro in your Bluetooth menu to pair them with your smartphone. The Hey Melody app, which is accessible on both iOS and Android devices, may be connected to the headphones using Google Fast Pair. The software improves functionality by letting you manage active noise suppression modes, change sound presets, activate game mode for lower latency 47 milliseconds, set up dual connections, and even find your headphones if you misplace them. The 12.4mm titanium-coated drivers of the OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro produce crisp, loud sound. With the LHDC 5.0 codec, which reduces sound transmission losses and produces rich, detailed audio appropriate for any musical style, they support the HRS wireless audio standard. I only use the AAC codec with the Google Pixel 7, even though the LDHC codec works with OPPO smartphones like the Find and Reno series. This should be plenty for streaming services, but you may not get the whole experience if you prefer uncompressed formats. With its 3 microphones, the active noise cancellation technology successfully cancels out background noise. 3 active noise cancellation levels are available for selection, or you can use the intelligent mode, which modifies the aggressiveness of the noise cancelling system based on AI. You can enjoy your music and be conscious of your surroundings by using the transparency mode. The inbuilt microphones in phones record voices clearly, even in busy settings. The OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro's long battery life is one of its best qualities. You get a total of 44 hours of use with up to 12 hours of playing on a single charge, and an extra 32 hours from the charging case. Additionally, the headphones are fast chargeable, allowing for up to 3 hours of music listening with just 10 minutes of charging. A charging cable is included in the package, and the Hey Melody app and the Bluetooth menu allow you to keep an eye on your power levels. The LDHC 5.0 codec and 12mm titanium-coated speakers of the OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro produce exceptional sound quality, and the device's remarkable 12-hour battery life is another highlight. Their resilience to moisture and dust is guaranteed by the IP55 protection, and their adaptability is further enhanced by the Hey Melody app support and active noise cancellation. I provided a link to purchase the OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro headphones in the description below, if you're interested in them. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you in the upcoming review. Have a nice day and God bless you.